Optimisers connection direction, cabling diagram. Before proceeding with the installation of the panels, carefully study the wiring diagram, otherwise known as the cabling diagram. The wiring diagram is part of every supplied MyRoof system, and it takes the dedicated layout of the panels into account. In the tutorial, we'll outline the most common way to connect the optimizers, but it is essential that you analyze your own wiring diagram and follow the guidelines contained in it before starting the installation. Optimizers are interconnected in series. The direction of their connection for the presented roof is shown in the visualization. Remember that you are not yet interconnecting the optimizers at this stage. The optimizers must first be connected to the panels before being connected in series. The last aspect to consider is the routing of the circuit closing conductor. You need to bring it to the place where the last optimizer is installed. This must be done before the panels are laid out. In order not to damage the conductor during the work, lay it in stages after each column of panels is completed.